Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to introduce one of the topics in small restaurant big data program. This is a forecasting project. The problem we want to solve is how to help restaurant managers to know better about how busy will the restaurant be tomorrow. We are going to provide a daily forecast for indoor number of customers. More precisely, every night around 9 p.m., we will tell managers the forecast for tomorrow. We get data from iChef. It contains 7 Tino's pizza restaurants. Based on this data, we develop forecast models on computers. In order to improve accuracy, we would like to compare computer forecast to the manager forecast. We focus on 2 fields. One is timestamp. Each row represents 1 day. The other is the number of customers. And we separate different restaurants as different datasets. Some of the restaurants have more than 1 year data. Others are about 10 months. Let's take a look at one restaurant. The period is from April 1st, 2016 to April 30th, 2017. We see the plot. The x-axis is daily time. The y-axis is number of customers. And we can easily see there has high peak during weekend and a lower point during weekday every week. Furthermore, summertime has higher average sales than wintertime. So how do we measure our forecast accuracy? Here I'm going to introduce 2 kinds of plot. The top one is the actual value versus forecast value. The bottom one is the difference of actual values minus forecasted values. Therefore, we will see 2 different colors in the top plot, but only see 1 line in the bottom plot. From the top plot, we can easily know where we've over-forecast or under-forecast. And from the bottom plot, we can quickly know when the model did well, when didn't. Here I show the comparison between manager forecast and actual values. The black line is actual data. The orange line is forecasted value by one of the managers. The period is from March 9th to April 30th. During this period, we found the orange line usually higher than black line. It means the manager tend to over-forecast. And in the bottom chart, most of the differences are between positive 50 and negative 50, which is quite good. And at the same time, we develop our computer forecast model. The blue line is computer forecast. We can see in most situations, the computer is able to produce very close forecast to the actual values. During our research, we found one interesting thing that if we combine computer and manager forecast, the model generates more accurate results than both computer and managers, like this period. However, there is something we can improve. If we encounter holidays, we see the manager expects there will be higher customers than regular day, but the computer treats this as regular weekday, so it's lower than actual values. To briefly summarize this video, we found the manager tends to over-forecast, and our forecast model can provide accuracy forecast result. More exciting, if we combine both models, we can get better results. On the other hand, we should pay more attention on holidays. And in terms of the percentage of error, it is still large. It's worth to keep collecting manager forecasts, and we can improve my model accuracy. Thank you for watching this video.